Yeah, this one is again high oil. It's pretty frustrating to fix it off. Do you hear this sound? And boom, like the battery is fully charged and it is doing this annoying noise but not working. And I pretty replaced everything, the battery, the motor. Maybe the motor they sold me is problematic. I will try to reinstall the old motor again, but not working. And it's a good tool, but when it start to break every Sunday and Monday and Tuesday, this is a problem. It is working 24 hours a day almost. I'm joking, but at least half an hour each day at my home. So I will try now to see what is causing this annoying noise. Okay, so the reason I'm doing this video, because I didn't see anything. I was searching for similar problem and I did not find, and I replaced this motor is from AliExpress, probably refurbished. So it was the problem when I moved to my old motor. You can see now I already replaced it. You just need to remove these two screws, take this cover out, and then you have additional two screws for the power. Look at my previous video about how to take it apart. And then you have another sensor, sensitive wire that is going to this connector here. Okay, so you need these two screws, Torx and the sensor, and then you are done. So now we will test. Yeah, and it looks like it was the problem of this motor, the refurbished one from AliExpress. So be careful when you are buying from them, because they fix it and probably it lasts about maybe 1 month and then it broke again. So I have no idea why. So that's all for now. Hope it will help someone. So if you hear this annoying noise, so probably your motor is broken, if it is not the battery. So thank you and bye.